Welcome to the TNT channel. Today, we'll explore some fascinating topics in artificial intelligence and machine learning, especially relevant for students. Seeking creative and human-centered project ideas? Let's dive right in. Topic 1. Local. Restaurant recommendation system using machine learning and user reviews. Objective of this project is to develop an intelligent system capable of recommending dining venues that match a user's taste preferences. The system will rely on user behavior, past ratings, and local factors such as location, price, and cuisine type. Real-world applications include helping users quickly discover suitable restaurants without reading through numerous reviews. It can also be integrated into travel apps, food delivery platforms, or culinary review systems. In terms of technology, the backend can be built with Python using Flask or Django, or alternatively with Node.js. Key algorithms include collaborative filtering and content-based filtering. Data can be sourced from platforms like Foodie, Google Reviews, or simulated datasets. The user interface can be developed using React, Vue, or Flutter for mobile versions. Recommended databases include PostgreSQL or Firebase. This project is ideal for a small team of 1 to 2 members. With a stronger focus on data processing and recommendation logic rather than complex AI algorithms. Topic 2. Voice-based emotion. Recognition app for mental health support. This project aims to analyze short audio recordings to detect emotions such as happiness, sadness, anxiety, and other psychological states. Based on the analysis, the application will suggest actions to help improve mental well-being. It's a highly meaningful and socially conscious project, suitable for integration into mental health apps, support chatbots, or school counseling platforms. Technically, the system utilizes audio processing techniques like MFCC, chroma, and MEL spectrogram feature extraction. Leveraging libraries such as Librosa and PDub, suitable machine learning models include SVM, random forest, or lightweight. CNN's reference datasets include Ravdis and Cremati. The backend can be built using Python Flask. And the front end may be a web or mobile app capable of recording voice input and displaying emotional trends via charts. This project is well suited for a team of 2 and can be demonstrated offline without requiring real-time functionality. Topic 3. Music emotion classification using deep learning. This project. Its main goal is to classify MP3 music tracks based on emotional tones such as happy, sad, relaxing, or suspenseful. It's an exciting concept that can be integrated into music streaming services, meditation apps, podcasts, or personalized playlist generators. From a technical perspective, audio data is processed using Librosa to extract features, then classified. Using deep learning models like CNNs or LSTMs implemented with Keras and TensorFlow, training datasets may include GTZ, AN, or DEEM. The user interface can allow users to upload music files and visualize emotional insights via charts or word clouds. This project is particularly attractive for students with solid machine learning foundations and a passion for music. Topic 4. AI-based project completion time prediction based on daily progress. This project focuses on developing a system that monitors daily work progress and predicts the estimated completion date of a personal or academic project. It helps users improve time management, build discipline, and maintain consistent motivation. Technologies used include regression algorithms, such as linear regression and random forest regressor. Input data includes the number of tasks completed per day, hours worked, and the difficulty level of each task. The front end can be a task management web interface built with React or Bootstrap, while the back end can use Flask or Django with data stored in SQLite or Firebase. Results can be visualized through prediction graphs or Gantt charts, providing users with an intuitive overview of their progress. This is a relatively novel project idea suitable for individuals or small teams. With a strong focus on predictive modeling and user experience, we've just covered 4 AI and machine learning project ideas that are both impactful and highly applicable in real-world scenarios. We hope these suggestions inspire your next academic or personal project. wishing you great success and high scores in your studies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the TNT channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.